Hi, would you like to protect your Excel spreadsheet with password? Let's do it. Simple. Let's assume your data goes here. All right. So go to File menu, click on Info tab, click on Protect Workbook. A drop-down menu will appear here. Click on Encrypt with Password option. From the dialog box, set up your password. Let's put something in there. Click OK and put your password again to confirm. Click OK. The dialog box disappear. Let's save it. Browse. Let's put it somewhere on the desktop. Give the name test. Click on save button here. Okay, the file is saved. Let's open up and check. Close the Excel worksheet. Here is the file. Open it. Here we go. The Excel spreadsheet is protected with password. Let's put the password and check. Okay. Here we go. Done. Thank you for watching.